Okay, so this is continue to a part of our accounting project. Now we have just completed our metro form. Now just run it and look out how much we have completed. Okay, so here it is. First one should be A, B, C. Mobile name 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Email should be abc@gmail.com. Address is mail RA82. Detail should be anything. Just save it. Yes. Okay, so there is an error. It's a certain command for unknown field name, person name. Make sure you have typed correctly. Okay, the person name column. Okay, so what was the name of the column? PER, some person name. Okay, over here we forgotten to write the person table. Okay, so this table name, and again, okay, it is completed. Okay, so we have to do some formatting. Actually it is not looking good. Just click on that, make it to the form style to here it is. Do as an arrow shadow. Okay, just run it. Username should be Amir 1 2 3. Now you can, the border style has changed. It is giving a shadow effect. ABC 1 2 3 4 5. Email abc@gmail.com. Address whatever. Okay, so there is another error. Detail. So what was the detail? So stop it. Okay, we haven't given a detail column design. Save it. Size, whatever you like, and detail. Okay, now there is another error. Now what? Person is already exclusively used. This is also an error. Just close it. Okay, continue. After saving, all the values should be cleared. So just close, make a small function of clear, void clear. First one was text detail clear. There is also function clear for clearing the text box. Txt image dot clear, txt mobile dot clear, tx name dot clear, and tx address dot clear, and call this function below the successful message box. And also after calling, make the text name as a focus text box. Text name dot focus. Addresses, save it. Okay, now we have this clear function, and after that we have used focus function on the name. And also we don't want email as a uppercase. Here you can see email is also storing as a uppercase, so just remove them. Okay, and now there is two column remaining. Actually, if there is a customer or distributor, and if there is customer opening amount is remaining, so at the time of creation of the customer, you could give a text box that the customer opening amount, and also customer another amount that is balance amount. Means after opening amount and selling and giving distributing amount, what's the amount remaining in the person. So we will add two column in the person table. Actually we are creating a small accounting type. Means if a person purchase from something from our, the amount should be in that balance in our company, and whenever it will give deposit to our company, the company will give minus to the sale amount. So there is a whole procedure, as I have shown many project before you. So over here just click on the design. Here is customer opening amount. I'll explain in detail the next tutorial or numbers. And over here balance amount. Okay, so actually what is the, now over here we have selected number data type, but we want a decimal. So go to the properties, field properties, select the column, here it is, and over here properties below select as a double, and also over here because we want in the decimal value as a double. I will just save it and close it. And over here just give another column, just copy and paste. And also copy and paste. Now over here it will be the opening amount, and here it will be balance. Balance would be in disable mode. So disable and enable. Okay, enable. So actually, so what is the concept for opening amount and balance amount? So I'll show an example. Here there is a customer that his name is ABC. His opening amount was 25,000. Means if there is customer already have purchased so much goods from us, and still the balance is about 25,000, and the sale amount is again 35,000, and we have received amount from him is 30,000. So if we count opening amount which is coming from the customer, sale amount which is also will be come from a customer, that is 35,000, and receive amount means he daily or weekly giving money to us. So at the final report he will ask is just give me the balance amount. And so what we'll do, we will check the opening amount, the sale amount. Sale amount means how many we have purchased, give to the customer. So how much goods he have purchased from us, and received amount means how much money has given to us. So finally we will take the balance amount, means 25 plus 35, it will be 60,000, and we have received amount from him is 30,000. So minus it will 30,000 will be remain. So the remaining amount will be 30,000. So the remaining amount will be show over here. So it will be disabled whenever you will check, and opening amount would be, we'll put the opening amount. Okay, so we'll just change to opening amount. Okay, so in the save, just add another column. Just opening mode. And as it is a numeric, so there would be only double quotation. I think we haven't given the name to the text field, that is tx opening amount, and over here tx balance. Okay, so let's go to the button, write on tx opening amount of text, control KD. Okay, you can also write over here just small tx text name dot text. Save successfully, and the customer name. We are not just saving the customer, we are also saving the distributor. Okay, so just click on the start. Customer will be ABC, mobile number 9765431. ABC. Address. Okay, save it. Okay, so in the clear function it is remaining. So okay, so in the next tutorial we'll continue our project. So thanks for watching, have a good day.